This video is sponsored by Squarespace. We are on the hunt for Malaysia's epic street food burger. But wait, hear me out. We have had some of the most delectable street food, from Malaysia's national dish nasi lemak to some delectable treats in Chinatown. But the most famous street food is a burger. That made us curious, and it was the most recommended thing by you in the comments. And that's what we're gonna find today to see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Okay, so right now we are in Bukit Bintang. It's an area that we've never been to before, and now we're on a hunt for a Rambly burger. We've actually made it to a market. I think it's called Jalan Alor Market. So it's got to be around here somewhere, right?
Okay.
Let's just go. Let's just...
Okay. Oh, no, maybe not.
Okay, there's another guy here, so maybe when he crosses, we'll cross.
When he goes, we go.
Oh, maybe now?
Okay, let's maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello!
Can you help us?
Yeah.
We're looking for the Rambly burger. Yeah? Rambly burger.
What Rambly burger?
The burger?
The burger?
Yes. Rambly burger.
That's no Malaysia. That's no Euro country.
No, it's Malaysia.
No, Rambly.
Burger is don't have here. If you need burger, you can find any shopping mall. Inside the shopping mall.
Okay, thank you so much.
I don't think he knows.
Maybe he doesn't know. Maybe we're in
He
the wrong
thinks you're just a
area.
European wanting a burger.
That's don't have any burger.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
That was so funny. That was the funniest part of my day, honestly. Which is so funny because you think about a burger and you're like, that's not street food. Why did you come to this fabulous market and you're looking for a burger? That's what he's thinking.
It has to be here. I'm feeling a little bit more confident, more hopeful, because there's Thai cuisine, Vietnamese, Chinese, but where is the burger? There's no signs that it'll be anywhere near here. I've seen some lamb on a bun. That's kind of been the closest thing so far.
Also, everywhere that we're going, we just smell durian. We all know that durian is very, very popular since it comes from Malaysia. We've lived in Southeast Asia for over 2 years. We haven't had durian yet.
Wouldn't expect to find a burger here, so this is why it feels a little bit strange for us.
Also, it's crazy because there's so much delicious food and we're looking for a burger. That kind of seems strange to us.
It feels wrong. We've made it out of the really busy section where there were loads of food stalls and restaurants, and there's just a few stalls left, so I don't know if we're on the right street or we've got this completely wrong today. All the shops are finished.
I actually see it. I think it might be the last one over there. It says burger on the side, so let's go look.
I can't see that.
Yeah, it says burger right
This
there.
tiny little...
Right on the end of the road. Oh my gosh, it is. It says Burger Boss. I think we found it.
Wow.
What are the chances that it was the last stall? Okay, let's go get one. This is Rambly. Right here.
So this is it.
We made it.
No ways. It's the final stall at the end of the street.
Do you have Rambly burgers? Okay, so we've never had one before, so we don't know what it is.
Or Rambly.
Okay. All crispy. Okay, so we want the Rambly burger. Which one is the most popular? Which one does everybody order?
The double beef special cheese.
Okay, double beef special cheese. Okay, let's have one of those.
One,
please.
thank you.
Okay, we're getting a double beef cheese Rambly burger, and it sounds
Amazing. So let's find out what this is all about.
What's your name, sir?
Ronnie.
Ronnie. Nice to meet you.
So this is the famous Rambly patty that the Rambly company makes.
Here's some background on the Rambly. It was actually founded by a couple in the late 70s. As we said before, we don't really think that a burger is street food, but they wanted to make it as if it is. You can have it as a street food. As you can see by this little side store, you can only get it here in Malaysia. And that's really special. So these are actually the Rambly packets here. They're frozen patties, which you can actually buy in the supermarket. You can buy them yourself and make it at home.
Oh, I'm hungry now. It smells so good. He added some spices, and as soon as he flipped it, just like coming off the grill there.
It's quite a little unassuming stall that we're standing at right now. It doesn't just burst out Rambly Burger, so you have to really look for it. It's at the end of the street, so it must be worth it.
Malaysia kicap.
Oh, Malaysia's ketchup. Okay. Pepper sauce. Oh, it is Worcestershire.
Peppering.
That's interesting. Worcestershire sauce on a burger. I've never had that before. Oh yeah. And now you're gonna. Oh. The special sauce.
So he dips it in the special sauce and leaves them in there. What is the special sauce?
Oh, you see, it's a secret. It's a secret. So it's a special sauce, but we have no idea what it is. Oh, the black pepper sauce.
Okay. Right, so he's just cracked open that egg, and this is where the magic happens. The patties now come out the pepper sauce. There's a piece of cheese that goes on top. Wait, what is happening right now? Egg, patty, cheese. The other patty goes on top of that.
Oh my god. This is quite extreme. Special sauce?
Another special sauce. Oh, and then he's flipping the egg over the patties to kind of make like a package, like a parcel almost.
So he literally cooks it through, puts the patty that's covered in the black pepper sauce, a layer of cheese, and then the other patty, and then wraps it up like an eggy parcel.
Okay, so we have some lettuce on the bun.
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce, okay. They flip the entire egg patty parcel on top. And then mayonnaise on top of that. That is the most deluxe thing I've ever seen.
Packing.
Oh, that is crazy.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Wow, I'm impressed.
He honestly cooked that to perfection.
Yes.
I can't wait to try
We have like our own private little restaurant right here.
Ronnie was so lovely. He was not a paid actor. He was just genuinely keen to make us this burger.
Ronnie,
What a guy.
what a guy.
Whoa.
It is
Oh my gosh.
stuffed and packed and jammed. There's seriously an art to making this that I didn't realize. It's not just a patty with some sauce and some buns. There is specific layers, and every single thing needs to be in the right order. Before we've even tried it, we're starting to see what all the hype is about.
It's quite a messy burger, kind of like an American sloppy joe.
I guess let me try this deluxe
Whoa,
mix.
it's messy.
And as we're about to eat this, it started raining, so let me be quick. Oh.
Oh, Ronnie's got the umbrella.
8 color start after 2 o'clock.
Whoa.
2 night color.
2 in the morning.
Not
Wow. Our good friend Ronnie has just told us that from 8 p.m. there is a line waiting for these Rambly burgers all the way up until 2 a.m. That entire time he's just making burger after burger, and I can see why. This really, really is the most delicious burger I've ever had in my entire life. There are so many different flavors, but you cannot taste each one individually, it just kind of smacks you immediately in the mouth. The meat and obviously the ramly patty is the key ingredient.
Whoa, it's a messy one. You've got sauce all over your face.
Should I ask Ronnie to start making the next one? It is saucy, which I love. The egg pocket, it just kind of enhances that patty. It's not really a very strong eggy taste, but it's absolutely delicious. It's falling apart, so I need to give it to Chev before I eat it all.
Why do I feel nervous to eat this? But I'm really keen. Oh, it's literally falling apart, so I've got to eat this quick. Wow. Oh, I like it a lot. It's super tasty, and if this is the one that's the most popular, I can totally understand why. Double beef, cheese, burger buns, the works. And it's not as spicy as I thought, so it's really, really tasty. It doesn't take away any of the flavor. Street food on another level. Hi! Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi, Chi.
Is no dance.
Need.
Hey, tinker, 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 tinker,
Oh, is he your pet, Ronnie?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ronnie.
Thank you, thank you.
The best burger we've ever had.
Best burger we've ever had.
8 ringgit 50 cents.
Oh, only 8 ringgit.
So
Okay.
10, just
Yeah, you can have 10.
bye bye. Thank you.
If it wasn't for making these videos and you guys commenting and saying we needed to try this, we would have never come to the final cart at the end of the street. So thank you for recommending. Please keep sending recommendations for more things that we can try in Malaysia.
You know what the better part is of finding epic street food is the people that we get to meet as well. I'm so glad that we got to meet the lovely Ronnie. He was so kind and so
What a
nice
guy.
to us. What a guy. I hope he watches this video. Now that we've had a good burger, I think we need some dessert.
Durian is everywhere. As we know, it's one of the most popular fruits here in Malaysia. So we've never had durian. We're going to try some durian ice cream.
The durian ice cream? Oh yes, just one. It's white. I actually thought it was going to be the yellow one.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
I'm quite excited to try. And it
First,
doesn't smell at all. You know this is the world's smelliest fruit, right? I think this is actual.
why is this so intense? Is it lovely?
I never expected it to be so potent because I thought it was ice cream. Instant regret. Also, this was 15 ringgit, double the price of our Ramly burger. I don't know if I can have another bite. Oh, I'm gonna go for it. If I could describe it, I would say like mushy onions. Because it's on ice cream, the smell is not as potent as I thought it would be, but that taste got me. I need to have some ice cream, but it's durian. The ice cream is good, so I'm like scraping off all the durian.
If you had to grab some old slimy onions, that's what it tastes like. The ice cream's good though. That is so strange for a fruit to taste like that. In the comments below, please could you put a word what best describes the taste of durian for people who have never tried it before.
It's a pungent taste. That's maybe how I could say it.
I'm sticking to slimy onions.
I'm gonna go with pungent, so let us know your word. We are so excited to announce that we have launched our brand new website with Squarespace. Squarespace lets you create your own bold and dynamic website with thousands of award-winning templates to choose from. We love that we can connect with our audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, as well as track our insights through an all-in-one, easy-to-use platform. We love that there's no coding needed and we can amend and improve our website daily. Plus, keep track of our social profiles and add our YouTube channel as well. With Squarespace extensions, we can manage our new merchandise line using third-party tools. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Shevelle and Devan to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. We are so excited that we have finally got to launch our website, which we've been putting off forever, and we're super proud to announce that we have launched our brand new merchandise line, which you can check out right here if you want, or go to our website. And if you like anything, let us know, and we really hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give it a like. If you're new here, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.